Okay. So in the previous class, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the previous class, we studied what is simple harmonic motion, and we studied the conditions for the simple harmonic motion, and we are
Formula,
discussing.
sir.
We are discussing a few characteristics of simple harmonic motion, and the first one is displacement. So what is displacement? The shortest distance between the mean position and the position of a particle at any instant of time, that is called displacement. Okay. All these things we discussed in the previous class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, this is the displacement equation. If, for example, the particle is displacing along the x direction, the displacement is given by the SHM equation is given by x equals to a cos omega t plus phi. Okay. For example, if displacement is along the y direction, so the SHM
A
equation
sin.
is given by y equals to a sin omega t plus phi. Okay. Okay. And always we measure displacement from where, Anna?
Main position.
From mean
Main
position.
position.
Okay. Always we measure the displacement from the mean position, and the direction of displacement is always away from the mean position. Okay. The direction of displacement is always away from the mean position. This is the displacement equation. Evarama Soumya? Who is Soumya? Okay. For example, if you take the at mean position, what is the displacement, Anna? There is no displacement. Means
Zero,
mean
sir.
position, displacement will be zero. So the displacement will be minimum at mean position, that is nothing but zero. So at extreme position, what happens? The displacement should be maximum.
Amplitude.
Right. That is nothing but
Amplitude.
amplitude of the amplitude of the SHM, amplitude of the particle which executing simple harmonic motion. And here the amplitude is nothing but the maximum displacement. So the displacement is maximum at extreme position. Okay. Next one is what? Amplitude. What is amplitude? The maximum displacement of the particle from its mean position. That is called. So this is amplitude in this equation. So in this diagram, if you carefully observe, this is the maximum displacement from here to here. This is called what? An amplitude of simple harmonic motion, simple harmonic oscillator. The maximum displacement of the particle from its mean position, from the mean position to the maximum displacement of the particle is called amplitude. The maximum displacement is nothing but what? An x maximum is nothing but amplitude, capital A. Okay. So in reference circle, we studied already the uniform circular motion, right? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir.
So this circle is called reference circle. This circle is called what, Nana? Reference circle.
Reference circle, sir.
In this reference circle, the radius of this reference circle is nothing but what? Amplitude of simple harmonic motion. Okay. Understood? This is the radius actually, right?
Understood, sir.
So this is the radius of the circle is nothing but amplitude of simple harmonic oscillator. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right.
Sir, fine, sir.
Next, span of SHM or path length of SHM means what? The total length traversed by the particle from one extreme position to another extreme position.
Another extreme position.
See this diagram. In this diagram, this is one extreme position. This is another extreme position. The particle will travel from one extreme position to another extreme position.
Extreme position.
This is nothing but what? 2 times of amplitude. 2 times of amplitude.
Amplitude.
Okay. The span of SHM
Yes,
is nothing but 2 times of amplitude. Okay, no. Next, here, before going to discuss velocity, I given few formulas. These formulas are very, very important. Okay. D by dx of x is how much, Anna? 1. D by dx of
sir.
ax, all is
A.
okay.
Yes, sir.
All these things we discussed, right? All these formula we
Yes,
discussed.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Next,
Yes.
right. Next one is what? Velocity. Velocity is nothing but what? The rate of change of displacement.
The rate of change
The
of
rate of change of
acceleration, sir.
Right? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. So nothing but that is v equals to dx by dt. Equals to dx by dt. What is
X by
x?
dt.
X is nothing but a cos omega t plus
A
phi.
cos omega t plus phi,
Right.
sir.
Here omega is nothing but angular velocity
Angular
and phi is
velocity,
nothing but
sir.
what? Initial phase.
Initial
Initial velocity.
Phase means what? The position of a particle at a time t equals to 0. Okay. The position of a particle at a time t equals to 0 is called initial phase. Position of a particle at time t equals to 0 is called initial phase, which is denoted by what, Anna? Pi. So what
Pi,
is v
sir.
equals to? V equals to
Pi.
dx by dt. D by dt of what is x, Anna? X is nothing but a cos omega t
Equals to
pi.
A cos omega t plus phi, sir.
If you do differentiate, you will get v equals to minus a omega sin omega t. Okay. And from using trigonometry relation, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From this, sin theta equals to under root of 1 minus cos square theta. And instead of sin theta, please replace by, instead of sin omega t plus pi, you can write in under root of 1 minus cos square omega t plus pi. Okay. Actually, what is cos omega t plus pi is nothing but x by a. X by a. Substitute, you will get finally v equals to minus omega a square minus x square. A square minus x square. Here, tell me what is omega?
Angular velocity, sir.
Angular velocity, sir.
Angular velocity. What is capital A?
Amplitude.
Amplitude, sir.
Amplitude.
Amplitude. What is small x?
Displacement, sir. Along x-axis.
Displacement, sir.
Displacement.
Displacement of a particle along x direction. Okay, na? Right. This is the vector. So this is negative sign. What the negative sign indicates? The negative sign indicates
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
opposite direction of displacement.
Direction.
The velocity is always opposite the direction of displacement. If you write in terms of magnitude, v equals to omega under root of a square minus x square. Okay. Right. So when the particle is at mean position means x equals to what, Anna? 0.
0, sir.
So if you substitute it, you will get what? V equals to a omega means the velocity of the particle is maximum. Where the velocity of the particle will be maximum? At mean position. At mean position, the velocity of a particle should be maximum.
Maximum.
All right. Next, if you consider at extreme position, the displacement will be equal to what, Anna? Capital A.
Amplitude.
Right. If you substitute, you will get v equals to 0. So means the velocity should be minimum. Velocity of a particle is minimum where? At extreme position.
Extreme position.
Extreme
Okay.
position.
Is 0, sir.
Next we discuss what an acceleration, right?
Acceleration, sir.
Next we
The
discuss
rate of change of velocity of a
Rate
particle.
of change of velocity of a
Right.
The rate of
particle,
change
sir.
of velocity.
nothing but acceleration. That is a equals to dv by dt. Okay. And d by dt of v is nothing but dx by dt. And this is d
Dx by
square
dt.
x by dt square. Very, very important.
dt square.
Very, very important. A equals to what? D square x by
dt square.
dt square.
dt
Okay.
square.
See, here a equals to d by dt of v. What is v actually? We already derived. Minus a omega
Yes, sir.
sin omega t. Okay, now take these two are constant. Take outside minus a omega d by dt of sin omega t plus phi. You know, d by dt of sin omega t is nothing but what, na? Cos omega t plus phi again
Cos omega.
Okay, now finally you will get this thing, right? Minus a omega square, a cos omega t plus phi is nothing but x. Okay. Okay, no. So finally
Yes,
we
sir.
will be left with
Understood, sir.
this expression a equals to minus omega square x. A is proportional to minus x. From this expression, we can write a equals to a is proportional to the minus x. What this equation indicates?
It is the opposite to the displacement, sir.
Which is
Acceleration is
opposite?
the
Opposite to
It
the
is
acceleration is the
displacement.
opposite to the Yes, sir.
Means this is a condition for what? Which type of motion it
Here
is?
A is directly proportional to
A
x,
is
sir.
directly proportional to minus x.
Now
No,
tell
sir.
me which type of motion it is. It is a linear motion or harmonic motion or oscillatory motion or simple harmonic motion.
Simple harmonic motion, sir.
Very good. It is the condition for what? Simple harmonic motion.
Simple
A is
harmonic
proportional to
motion.
the minus x.
Minus x.
Right. Next here, at mean position. At mean position means what? X should be 0. And if you substitute x equals 0, what about A, Nana? A should be 0 means
A should
acceleration
be
at a
equals
particle
0.
should be
In mean
0.
position, x should be
In mean
0, sir.
position.
Extreme position
Ah.
also x should be 0.
X is equals
Yes,
to
sir. At extreme position, x should be A, not equals to 0. At
A
extreme position,
magnitude,
Yes, sir. Yes,
sir.
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 so that A equals to minus omega square A. If you write in terms of magnitude, A equals to A maximum,
Omega
that is
square
omega
is, sir.
square A. Is it
A.
fine?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Fine,
sir.
sir.
Now I'm going to give you few graphs. Okay, graphs. Graphs related to SHM. Simple harmonic motion. Graphs related to simple harmonic motion. These graphs are very, very important.
Sir,
Ah.
can you give an example for simple harmonic motion in our daily life, sir?
Oh, so many I given already, na? So many examples I given.
Yes, sir. In the previous class, you had already told, no, sir.
So these are the
Yes, sir.
examples.
Is
See,
there? About
thinking of a
oscillating motion also you
pendulum.
told, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. I
sir.
got it, sir.
You forgot, huh? Okay. These are the examples. So, oscillations of a liquid in YouTube and oscillations of a
Okay,
spring
sir.
with a simple
The
pendulum.
objects
Oscillations
which
of a
are
loaded
moving
spring.
direction of to and fro, no, sir.
Yes. So, what is simple harmonic motion? It is a periodic motion. It is oscillatory motion.
It is a
In
periodic
which,
motion which a body moves to and fro. Yes, sir.
wait. What is simple harmonic motion means? It should satisfy what 5 conditions. Now, I already told you. So it must be periodic. See, it must be
Yes,
periodic.
sir.
It must be oscillatory. Acceleration is directly proportional to displacement in negative direction. Acceleration always towards the mean position. If any motion satisfies these requirements, these conditions, we can say that motion is a simple harmonic motion.
Simple harmonic motion.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Right. So graphs related to simple harmonic motion. The first graph is displacement versus time graph. Displacement versus time graph. XT graph. These graphs are very, very important. Please try to understand. Okay. What about XT graph? X versus T graph. Actually, you know what is the displacement equation, Anna? What is
S
the
is
displacement
equals to ut plus half at square, sir.
A cos omega t
Omega.
plus pi.
Omega t plus pi, sir.
Pi. For
Omega t
example,
plus pi.
if initial phase equals to 0, for example, if the initial phase equals to 0, we can say x equals to what? A cos omega t. X equals
Omega
to
t.
A cos omega t. How the graph should be? How the graph should be? Graph ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూడండి నాన్న మీకు చెప్తా. Okay. The graph should be okay. Okay, listen carefully. So this is the how I am going to draw a graph. I will show you. Okay, no. Okay. So here x-axis, y-axis, right? For example, this is the here I'm taking t along the x-axis and x should belong on y-axis. Always will take the independent variables along the x-axis and dependent variables along the y-axis. Okay, no. T
Yes, sir.
x. So here, for example, this is t, the time period t. Sorry, t by 4. This is t by 2, 3t by 4. This is, for example, 3. Okay, this is 0. Okay, no. This is what? T by 4. This is t by 2. This is 3t by 4. And this is what, t. Wait.
T by 2.
Wait. First graph I will show you. Remaining graphs you have to draw. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See. So here along x-axis I'm taking t and y-axis what, this is x. This is what 1, 2. These are the time intervals I'm taking. This is t by 4. This is what, t by 2.
T by
T by 2.
3t by
T.
4.
T by
This is
Yes,
t.
sir.
This is 0.
T.
For example, if you put t equals to 0, what happens, Anna? X equals to a cos omega t. If you put t equals 0, what happens? Cos omega into 0, right?
Cos
Okay.
omega into 0, sir. Then
What
A
is-
cos is equal.
What is cos 0 value, Nana? 1, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's
One.
why the x will be what, Nana? X will be equals to a. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
For example, if t equals to pi by 4, if t equals to what, Nana? Pi by 4, then what happens, Nana? See, x equals to a cos
A
omega
cos omega into pi by
Cos
4.
omega
t by
t.
4.
By 4.
A
60, sir.
cos, what is omega t? Remember
45,
omega
sir.
t is nothing but what, Nana? 2 pi.
sir.
Omega t is nothing but what, Nana? 2 pi.
2
Okay.
pi.
So this is cos 2 pi by
A
4
cos 2 pi by 4.
pi by 2.
2 1
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cos pi by 2 means cos 90. What about
90,
cos 90?
90.
Cos
0.
90 by 2.
Cos 90 is equal 0.
0. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next to 3t by 4. 3t by 4. If you substitute here, x equals to a cos 3t by 4 into omega, right? So this is a cos 3 by 4. This is 2 pi. Onde na? 2 ones are 2 twos are. That's nothing but a cos 3 pi by 2. What about cos 3 pi by 2?
Sir, have you got their pi, sir?
Huh?
Pi. Have you got their pi,
W
sir?
T.
Pi.
I already tell omega
Omega
equals to what? 2 pi
Omega
by
t is
t.
equal to 2 pi.
2 pi by
Yes,
t,
sir.
sir.
2 pi by t. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, that's why omega t is nothing but what? 2 pi. Okay. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 pi by 2. What is 3 pi by 2 value? Cos entera 270 antena.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
270.
Cos of 270, what we can write? Cos of 180 plus 90. Okay, is nothing but what is cos of 180 plus theta? Minus
Minus cos theta, sir.
Minus cos theta. Cos
nothing
90.
but minus cos 90 means what? Zero.
Minus 1. 0,
Huh?
sir. 0.
Zero.
Zero.
Okay, na? So that's why the answer should be 0. So that's why it is 0. Okay. 3 pi by 4 also 0. If you take t by 2, if you take what, 3 by t by 2, x equals to a cos omega t by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
A cos
A cos
2 pi by 2,
2 by
2 to cancel. A cos pi.
pi.
What is cos pi value, Nana? -1.
180 minus 1. Yes, sir.
Minus 1,
-1.
sir.
That means minus a. Okay. Next, if you write t,
Yes, sir.
if you write t, x equals to a cos omega t. That's all. Okay. A cos 2 pi.
Omega 2 pi.
What is cos 2 pi
2
value,
pi.
Nana? -1 whole square is nothing but a. Cos 2 pi value is 1, right?
Yes,
A,
sir.
sir.
So that's why this is what a. See here. These are the values we have. Now I am going to draw the graph. Carefully observe. At time t equals 0, what about a value, Nana? A should be maximum, right?
Yes, sir. Maximum.
This is a, capital A. Okay. Next, t by 4, what about x value? T value. T
0,
by
sir.
4,
Zero,
x
sir.
will be 0. Very good.
Zero,
X will
sir,
be
zero.
0.
Zero,
Next,
sir.
at t by 2, x should be minus a.
Minus
Minus
A.
Minus
A,
A,
sir.
This is minus a. This is minus a. Okay. At 3t by 4, x should be 0. X should be 0.
0.
At
Zero.
t, x should be what, Nana?
Plus A.
Yeah, okay. If you join all these, you will get this type of curve. Okay.
Like curve.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is the curve represents what, na? Xt graph, x versus t graph. Okay,
XT
na?
graph, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
How to draw xt graph, displacement versus time graph?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, right. This is xt graph, and remaining things I won't discuss in detail. Okay, na? Directly I will write. Is it fine?
Okay, sir.
Next,
Okay, sir.
next one is number 2. Number 2, velocity versus time graph, VT graph. Velocity versus time graph. Okay, how the graph should be, you know, actually what is x, Nana? X is nothing but a
A
cos
cos
cos-
omega t.
A cos
A
omega
cos
t
omega
plus pi.
Omega plus pi.
Pi.
Right. If initial phase equals to
That is
0, pi equals to 0, what happens, Nana? X equals to
x is equals to
A
A
cos
cos
omega
omega
t.
t.
cos
A cos omega.
omega t, sir.
Okay, now. But we want to velocity, right? Velocity by definition v equals to dx by
dx by
dt.
X
dt.
by dt, sir.
That is d by dt of a
By dt
cos
of t.
omega
A
t.
cos omega.
Omega t.
V equals to take a outside d by dt of cos omega t
Minus
minus
sin
sin
Minus
omega
sin
t.
omega t.
Again omega minus a omega sin omega t. Understood? Okay,
Sir,
Nana?
have you got another
Have
one,
we got
sir?
omega?
I already told
Omega,
you,
sir,
na.
2 times.
This is a d by dt of cos omega t. Antena? Is nothing
Yes,
but
sir.
a
Yes, sir.
d by dt of cos omega t is what? Minus sin omega t. Again d by dt of what? Omega t.
Omega t.
Okay. So from this a minus sin omega t. What is d by dt of sin omega t, Nana? Is nothing but omega take outside, and d theta by dt is nothing but 1 only, right? That's why we are getting omega. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Fine,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Fine.
Right. Now we are going to draw a graph between what? Velocity versus time. Velocity versus time.
Time.
Velocity versus time. Wait. I'm going to draw what table I want. Okay, listen. చిన్న వచ్చింది కదా ఇది okay, right. So you know already how to draw a graph. Okay. Okay. Then first we are taking one at t and a v. Antinana. T equals 0.
Yes, sir.
T equals to t by 4.
T is equal
T
by
equals
4.
T by
T
3,
by 2.
T by 2, T.
5 by 2.
T by 4.
Sorry.
And this is t.
T.
Okay. So these are the
T.
values we want. Actually, it's not put t equals to 0. If t equals 0, what happens now? V equals to
Minus a omega
Minus A
sin
omega.
omega
sin
0.
0, sir.
Means 0. Sin 0 is what? 0.
0, sir.
So we
Fine,
also
sir.
got 0. Okay.
0.
Next put t equals to t by 4.
T by 4.
V equals to minus a omega sin omega
Sin omega T by
T by
4.
Sin
4.
omega t by 4.
Minus a
Is
omega
equals to minus
sin
omega.
Minus a
2 pi
omega
by
sin
4.
2 by
2
3.
pi by 4.
1
2
the
1s are
2
2
2 the
1 to the
minus a omega
90, sir.
Minus A omega
pi by
sin
2.
Minus a
2 pi.
omega
5 by
sin
2
90.
equals to 1.
Okay na?
Minus a omega.
Minus a omega. Okay na? Next
Yes, sir.
next if you write t equals to t by 2, v equals to minus a omega sin omega t by 2.
T
Okay.
by 2.
Minus a omega sin
Sin
2 pi
2
by
pi
2.
by 2.
2
2
get
1s are 2
cancelled.
1s, sir.
Minus a
Sin
omega.
180.
Minus 2.
What about sin
It is
180 value?
sin pi.
Sin pi
Minus
value? 0.
0,
0.
sir.
Okay. Next if t equals to 3t
T.
by 4
3
by 4 అంటే
minus a omega sin omega 3t by 4.
3
Okay
t
na?
by 4.
Minus a
Minus a
omega
omega
sin 3
3
2 pi by 4.
t
2 1
1s
the
are
2
2
2 the
1s are 2 2s
minus a omega sin 3 pi by 2 sin 270. What about sin
Yes, sir.
270? Sin 270 value should be minus 1 Nana.
cos. Yes, sir. Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus A omega
Okay, now
minus
sin
1.
sin 270 means sin of 180 plus 90, that is third coordinate, minus sin 90. Sin 90 will be value should be 1. That's why minus 1. That's why the whole thing will be what Nana? Minus of minus
Minus
ten, that
A
is
omega.
a
Plus 1.
omega.
A omega.
Okay, is it fine?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If t equals to t, v equals to minus a
Minus
omega
a omega
sin omega t
sin
minus a
T by-
omega sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi value 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to draw a graph. Listen carefully. Okay. This is 0. This is what Anna? 3 by 4. This is 3 by 2. 3t by 4. This
3t
is
by
t.
4 and 3, sir.
T.
T
Okay.
by 4.
చూడండి, this is place a
A
omega
minus
This
A
is,
omega.
minus
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 a omega. Okay. See, at time t equals 0, any velocity, no, this is, we are taking what? Time along x-axis, velocity along y-axis. T equals 0, v also equals to 0. Is it fine? Okay.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
T by 4, what about value should be? Minus a
3
omega.
by 4 minus A omega, sir. Minus
T
A
by 2,
omega.
minus
T
A
by 2,
omega, sir.
0.
2 minus
0,
0,
sir.
sir.
3t by 4 plus a omega.
A omega, sir.
Okay. And t equals to 0. It
0.
should also
0, sir.
If you combine these things. Understood?
Yes,
This type
sir.
of,
Yes, sir.
this is,
Understood, sir.
this
Fine,
is the
sir.
curve you are getting, velocity versus time graph. If you carefully observe, these two are different, right? These two graphs are different. Displacement versus
Yes,
time
sir.
graph,
Different, sir.
and this is also different. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Remaining, will you draw? I will give one homework.
Yes.
Will you draw?
Yes, sir. Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
We can do
Next,
it,
you
sir.
should draw
We
the
can
next
do it.
curve, that is acceleration versus time graph. Acceleration versus time graph.
Time graph.
In the same
Time
following
graph.
manner, you can draw acceleration versus time graph. Okay. So you know already what is A, Nana? A is nothing but d
A
square
is equals
x
to
by
D.
x
D
by
square
dt
x
square.
by dt square, sir.
dt
That
square,
is
sir.
d by dt of dx by
Dx
dt.
by dt.
Okay.
dt.
That is nothing but d by dt of what, Nana?
D by
dx by
dt.
dt.
V.
Okay.
V, sir.
So if you do it, what you will get, Nana? X equals to a cos omega t. You know already. What is V, Nana? V is nothing but dx by
equals to
Dx by
dt.
dt, sir.
dx by dt, sir.
d by dt of a cos
A
omega t.
Omega t plus pi.
A take outside, that is d by dt of cos omega t. Okay. Which is nothing but a into, what is d by dt of cos omega t, Nana? Minus sin omega t, again d by dt of omega t. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fine,
Minus
sir.
a sin omega t, d by dt of omega t means take omega outside, d theta by dt. Finally, you left with what? Minus a omega sin omega t. Okay. Okay, Nana. This is V, but actually what we
Yes,
want?
sir.
But actually we want A. A is nothing but what?
A, sir.
dB by dt.
dv by dt of
That is d by
We have
dt
substituted
of
the value of V, sir.
minus a omega sin omega t. That equals to minus a omega d by dt of sin omega t. Okay. Minus a omega. What is d by dt of sin omega t, Nana? Cos omega t.
Cos omega t.
Omega t.
omega
Again
t, d by dt.
omega t. Okay. So here we can write minus a omega cos omega t. This is nothing but omega d theta by dt. Okay. So finally we left with what? Omega and omega is what? Minus omega square a.
Minus
cos
omega square
t.
A cos.
This should be 1. Okay. This is what a. Okay, no. Now you can draw. Now you can draw. Will you draw the graph, Nana? By taking
Yes, sir. Just substituting the values, no, sir.
t equals
T
to
by 4, T
and
by 4, T by
corresponding
2,
A.
and 3 pi by. Yes,
0,
T
by
by
4,
T by 4,
by
T
2,
by
T
T by 2,
T by
T
4.
by 2,
3 by 4.
3 by 4 and T,
T,
sir.
And
sir.
calculate the corresponding acceleration values. Calculate the corresponding acceleration values. Okay, Nana?
Here A equals to 0, sir.
Okay. So the graph should be like this here.